What was once home to over 100 railway horses is now one of Sunderland's most popular destinations. Let's take a look around Sheepfolds Stable. Welcome back to Tyne to Tarn. Today I've made my way to Sunderland's newest and most impressive regeneration projects, Sheepfolds Stables. Standing here today, it's hard to imagine that this site was once home to more than 100 working horses. After decades of decline and falling into disrepair, the historic buildings have been brought back to life through a major restoration project, carefully preserving many of the original features, including cobbled yards, water troughs and the iconic clock tower. Today, Sheepfolds Stables has been transformed into a vibrant food, drink and entertainment destination. It becomes a social hub for Sunderland, attracting visitors from across the northeast while keeping an important piece of its city's heritage alive. As you walk around, you'll notice how the old industrial character has been blended with modern design. It's a fantastic example of how historic buildings can be repurposed rather than lost forever. This area forms part of the wider Riverside Sunderland Regeneration Project, one of the most ambitious urban redevelopment programmes in the UK.